Welcome, folks. Today, we are discussing a fascinating study, Approach to the Gastronomic Image of the Tijuana-Rosarito-Ensenada Coastal Corridor based on online reviews.
I'm eager to hear about this. What's the core focus of the research?
The study analyzes online reviews, specifically from TripAdvisor, to understand the gastronomic image of the Tijuana-Rosarito-Ensenada Coastal Corridor in Baja California, Mexico. They're looking at how the image is constructed differently depending on where the reviewer is from.
So they're not just looking at whether reviews are positive or negative, but at the structure of the reviews themselves.
Exactly. They're interested in the cognitive, affective, and conative dimensions of the gastronomic image. The cognitive dimension deals with factual aspects like food quality and service. The affective dimension covers emotions and feelings, and the conative dimension focuses on future intentions, such as whether the reviewer would return or recommend the place.
That's a nuanced approach. How do they analyze the reviews to uncover these dimensions?
They used a combination of linguistic computational techniques and data mining. They started with a massive data set, over 11,000 reviews from 201 restaurants. They then focused on 7,973 reviews that explicitly stated the reviewer's location. A significant portion of the analysis involved natural language processing techniques to identify key themes and patterns within the text.
And what kind of patterns did they find? Did the origin of the reviewer significantly impact their review?
Yes, significantly. Reviewers from California, for example, focused more on the affective and conative dimensions, expressing more emotions and intentions to return or recommend. Local Baja California reviewers, on the other hand, focused more on aspects like location, scenery, and food safety. Reviewers from other parts of Mexico and the U.S. had different focuses again.
That's interesting. So, proximity and familiarity seem to influence the type of review written?
Precisely. The study used a chi-squared test to confirm these differences were statistically significant. It showed that the structure of the reviews varied depending on the reviewer's origin. California reviewers, for instance, were more likely to mention the affective and conative aspects, while Mexican reviewers from other states focused more on service quality.
So, what are the implications of these findings for businesses in the region?
The study suggests that businesses need to tailor their marketing strategies to different visitor groups. For example, they might emphasize ambiance and emotional experiences for California visitors, while focusing on food quality and safety for local residents. I see it's about understanding the specific needs and expectations of each segment.
It seems like this research highlights the importance of online reviews not just as a measure of overall satisfaction, but as a rich source of qualitative data about how people experience a place.
Absolutely. The study emphasizes the need for a more holistic approach to understanding the gastronomic image, going beyond simple sentiment analysis to examine the underlying structure and meaning of reviews. It also underscores the value of combining online data with traditional methods like surveys for a more complete picture.
This research seems to suggest that online reviews are a powerful tool for businesses, but also a double-edged sword. They can be used to improve, but also to damage a business's reputation.
Precisely. The study highlights the importance of proactive management of online reputation. Businesses need to be responsive to both positive and negative feedback, and to adapt their strategies based on the insights gained from analyzing reviews. Got it. It's not just about reacting to criticism, but about using the information to improve the overall customer experience.
So, in conclusion, this study provides a valuable framework for understanding how online reviews shape the gastronomic image of a destination, and how businesses can leverage this information to improve their offerings and marketing strategies. It's a really insightful piece of work.
Indeed. It's a compelling example of how big data and qualitative analysis can be combined to gain a deeper understanding of consumer behavior and preferences. And it shows the importance of considering cultural context when interpreting online reviews. Thanks for joining us, folks. We hope you found this discussion informative. Goodbye.